pū te ruha, ka hao te rangatahi.
I've learned how to connect with people that I wouldn't usually. I've learned how to, I guess, lead rangatahi when I'm also a rangatahi myself.
E mahi ana a Jaya Bishop I tētahi ki te uru o Ōtautahi I tēnei tau, I whakatau ngā kaiarehi hapori ki te whakarangatira I tētahi rōpū rangatahi. Ko Bishop tētahi o ngā kaiarehi rangatahi tokorua.
I got involved in Te Wero through mahi at Te Ora Hou. We partnered with Tōkanataraki and Luke to create a rangatahi rōpū where the rangatahi from the Northwest community can have more say in their community.
Oh, Jaya, she is wahine toa, and I think she is so incredible to be going into this space and building her confidence and being able to step up into this leadership role.
He kaimahi a Amy Knudsen o Tōkanataraki, heoi ko tērā e mahitahi ki Bishop kia whakaritea te kaupapa o te Wero, he whakataetae hono I ngā rangatahi noko nei.
Te Ora is an amazing race where rangatahi from the Northwest community will be in bands, whether that's with their youth group, church groups or sports group, be completing challenges, answering quiz questions and just having fun.
You can just see joy on people's faces, or rangatahi's faces, when you can see a space where they're like, this was made for me, this is for me, and my peers got to be able to have the opportunity to create this.
Nā I ki a Bishop, he tino mihi ia mō te tautoko I whiwhi ia.
I've learned how to run an event, organise an event. I've learned skills like social media, time management. I would like other communities to see what we've done and take it into their own.
Rangatahi want to see their peers shine and grow no matter what, so it's incredible that we can have this space that they can be able to do that.
I muri I te whakataetae angitu, ka tiro whakamua Bishop ki te whakarite I tētahi atu a te rātau. Hora Kairangi Nicholas, Tahu News.
Ko te reo, te take.